What's going on YouTube? It's Got the Night here coming at you with yet another video, and today's video is all about next generation hardware with Xbox and PlayStation. Now this is a huge one, especially for Microsoft. Let me get over here. Microsoft is going to replace the Xbox One X with 4 different consoles supposedly. So last year at E3, or well, technically it's still 2018, so this year at E3 we got to get a little glimpse and know that they were working on what they called Xbox Scarlet, as you see right there. Now the rumors are going to go like this, where right now we have an Xbox One S and an Xbox One X for the enthusiasts, which is great. So they're looking to do that again, where you have the Anaconda, which will be the more powerful system, and then you have Lockhart, which will replace the Xbox One S. I do believe both of these will still run Zen 2. That's at least the rumors, at least. And just the Anaconda will have a better overall processor in it, and well, GPU I should say. I apologize guys. While Lockhart just will have a cut down one, so if you still just want to play 1080p 60, Lockhart might be your thing. But if you want to play 4K 60, Anaconda might be your thing. Now let's get down to here to Maverick. So where is Maverick at? Right here. So this is going to be, just in a sense, well, not, there we go, Anthem. I apologize guys. Anthem here will actually be their cloud. So this will actually probably be their cheapest option because you won't have to download anything. You'll just get everything from the cloud through Microsoft. So you'll probably have to pay a little bit differently when it comes to like Game Pass and stuff like that. Or you have to have Game Pass to play this, but we don't know very many specifics on that. We just know that Microsoft is working on some stuff, so they can do a lot of cloud gaming, or you know, you could use your phone here and play Xbox AAA titles and stuff like that over like a 4G network and stuff like that. And then next is going to be Maverick. That's just going to be a discless console, which I can see, you know, if these are released in 2020. Unfortunately, like someone like me, I love having my discs, I love having my collections, but some people, even right now, strictly download all their games onto their Xbox, so this will probably even be a cheaper version. You know, maybe it's going to be like Anaconda, just without a disc drive, so it's cheaper, so you can get everybody to get a console of yours. I just don't know how well this is going to work, because Sega tried some of this stuff and they failed, unfortunately, miserably, but Microsoft is also a lot larger company than Sega, so we'll just have to see how that goes. Now, we're going to go into the PS5. Now, there's been some things that some of the Sony reps have said that you need bare minimum 8 teraflops of performance to do 4K comfortably with 60 FPS as well. There are some rumors going around that it's going to use a Zen Plus, not a Zen 2, but to be honest with you guys, I don't see AMD really doing that, because at the end of the day, the Xbox One and the PlayStation 4 had the same architecture with the Jaguar base CPU. Yes, the GPU was a little different, but I do believe that you know, PlayStation, Sony, they're going to use Zen 2, especially if they're going to be using Navi. I still believe that Sony isn't gearing up as much as Microsoft, but that's also because Sony is seeing so much success. Not saying that they're not being prepared, they're just focusing on what they have now and getting stuff ready in the background for next gen, while Microsoft is full-blown, let's get next gen rolling. They're, you know, Phil Spencer is telling us all this stuff, why Sony is still riding that, you know, the cash train on their PlayStation 4. But I do think from other rumors that I have seen that the Xbox Anaconda will be faster and have more graphical power than the PlayStation 5, but the PlayStation 5 will still have better overall performance than Lockhart. But that is just my 2 cents on that. What do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Do you think the PlayStation will have more than one console like Microsoft is planning to do? Or do you think they're just going to stick with one box and just go with that? And are they going to be using Zen 2 or Zen Plus? I want to know what you guys think down in the comments down below. So make sure you like this video if you liked it. Dislike it if you dislike it. Subscribe if you're new, guys. So this is Got the Night. Signing out, guys. If you like my content, please make sure to check out the links down below to help support the channel grow.